Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb intaha to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'ilun madin, past tense. Fi'ilun madin, past participle. Fi'ilun madin, this is a form of verb in Arabic that one can use to talk about an action that took place in the past. The question is, how do we change the verb intaha to suit the pronouns below? Intaha simply means he has finished. He in Arabic is huwa, being the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb intaha to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb intaha to suit ana? All you need to do is to attach ta'un, carrying dhamma, to the last letter. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb intaha will now become intahaitu, which means I have finished. Ithnan, number two. Nahanu, we. So how do we change the Arabic verb intaha to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to attach na to the last letter, then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb intaha will now become intahayna, which means we have finished. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the Arabic verb intaha to suit anta? All you need to do is to attach ta'un, carrying fataha, to the last letter, then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb intaha will now become intahaita, which means you have finished, talking to a single male person. Arba, number four. Anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the Arabic verb intaha to suit anti? All you need to do is to attach ta'un, carrying kasra, to the last letter, then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb intaha will now become intahaiti, which means you have finished. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the Arabic verb intaha to suit here? All you need to do is to attach ta'un, carry sukun. So the verb intaha will now become intahat, which means she has finished. So you may ask me, there was ya'un in intaha, however, the ya'un is now missing in intahat. Remember that ya'un was taking sukun, and the ta'un is also taking sukun. You know that two sukun will never meet in Arabic language. So in order to avoid that, that is why the ya'un was omitted. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udurus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udurus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mujabun, positive. Manfiyun, negative. Mujab, positive. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means something has happened. Manfiyun, negative. This is the state of a sentence in Arabic that means nothing has happened. For instance, Wahid, number one. Intaha, he has finished. Mantaha, he has not finished. Mantaha, not ma intaha. So the borrowed alif must be omitted whenever the verb intaha is preceded by another letter carrying vowel sound, like fataha, like mimun carrying fataha, mantaha. So the borrowed alif is going to be omitted, not ma intaha, rather mantaha. Intaha, he has finished. Mantaha, he has not finished. Ithnan, number two. Intahat, she has finished. Mantahat, she has not finished. Thalatha, number three. Intahaitu, I have finished. Mantahaitu, I have not finished. Arba'a, number four. Intahayna, we have finished. Mantahayna, we have not finished. Hamsa, number five. Intahaita, you have finished, talking to a single male person. Mantahaita, you have not finished. Sita, number six. Intahaiti, you have finished, talking to a single female person. ما انتهيت you have not finished. لعلك فهمت. I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. الاستعمال noun the usage. واحد number 1. متى انتهى الدرس؟ متى انتهى الدرس؟ When did the lesson get finished? متى انتهى الدرس؟ When did the lesson get finished? Noun the answer. انتهى الدرس الساعة 9 صباحا. انتهى الدرس الساعة 9 صباحا. انتهى الدرس الساعة 9. The lesson got finished by 9 o'clock صباحا in the morning. انتهى الدرس الساعة 9. The lesson got finished at 9 o'clock صباحا in the morning. اثنان number 2. متى انتهت زينب من التدريس؟ متى انتهت زينب من التدريس؟ متى انتهت زينب؟ When did Zainab finish من التدريس from the teaching? متى انتهت زينب؟ When did Zainab finish من التدريس from the teaching? Remember that mina is an agent of kasara. Its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of the Arabic word appearing after it with kasra, as we have it in min at-tadrisi. Say no with kasra. Min at-tadris. Min at-tadrisi. Mina tadrisi. Either mina or min. It means from. And its grammatical duty is to mark the last letter of any Arabic word appearing after it with kasra. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the question again. متى انتهى الدرس؟ متى انتهت زينب من التدريس؟ متى انتهت زينب من التدريس؟ So when did Zainab finish from the teaching? Now the answer. انتهت زينب من التدريس قبل قليل. انتهت زينب من التدريس قبل قليل. انتهت زينب من التدريس. As Zainab finished from the teaching قبل قليل, shortly before now. انتهت زينب من التدريس. As Zainab finished from the teaching قبل قليل, shortly before now. ثلاثة number 3. متى انتهيت من الدراسة يا أخي؟ متى انتهيت. Never say متى انتهيت. Rather متى انتهيت. Remember we dropped the borrowed alif. متى انتهيت من الدراسة يا أخي؟ متى انتهيت من الدراسة? When did you finish from the studies? يا أخي, my brother. متى انتهيت من الدراسة? When did you finish from the studies? يا أخي, my brother. Now the answer. انتهيت من الدراسة السنة الماضية. انتهيت من الدراسة السنة الماضية. انتهيت من الدراسة. I finished from studies. السنة الماضية, last year. انتهيت من الدراسة. I finished from studies. السنة الماضية, last year. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 4 number 4. متى انتهيت من الدراسة يا أختي؟ متى انتهيت من الدراسة? When did you finish from studies يا أختي, my sister? Now the answer. انتهيت من الدراسة قبل سنتين. انتهيت من الدراسة. I finished from studies قبل السنتين 2 years ago. انتهيت من الدراسة. I finished from studies قبل السنتين 2 years ago. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. 5 number 5. متى انتهيتما من العمل؟ متى انتهيتما من العمل? When did you both finish من العمل from the work? Talking to Khalid and Hashim. Now the answer. انتهينا من العمل قبل 3 أيام. انتهينا من العمل قبل 3 أيام. انتهينا من العمل. We finished from the work. قبل 3 أيام 3 days ago. انتهينا من العمل. We finished from the work. قبل 3 أيام 3 days ago. Remember, the plural form of العمل is أعمال. الأعمال. الأعمال الصالحة, righteous deeds. الأعمال الصالحة. 6 number 6. متى انتهيتم من الاجتماع يا إخوة؟ متى انتهيتم من الاجتماع يا إخوة؟ متى انتهيتم من الاجتماع? When did you all finish from the meeting? يا إخوة, brothers. talking to a group of male persons. Now the answer: انتهينا من الاجتماع قبل قليل. انتهينا من الاجتماع قبل قليل. انتهينا من الاجتماع. We finished from the meeting. قبل قليل. Shortly before now. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. number 7. متى انتهيتن من الامتحان يا أخوات؟ متى انتهيتن من الامتحان يا أخوات؟ متى انتهيتن من الامتحان? When did you all finish from the examination يا أخوات sisters؟ متى انتهيتن من الامتحان؟ When did you all finish from examination يا أخوات sisters? Now the answer: انتهينا من الامتحان قبل أسبوعين. انتهينا من الامتحان قبل أسبوعين. انتهينا من الامتحان. We finished from examination قبل أسبوعين. 2 weeks ago. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right there at the comment section. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.